Now for these questions, we're dividing a multiple of 100 by a multiple of 100. And there's a trick that we can use to do this mentally. If we ignore the zeros, we can see that 2 is in the 2 times table, 33 is in the 3 times table, and 63 is in the 7 times table. So when you spot this, what you can do is cancel the end zeros. So because there's 2 end zeros in our divisor, we can cancel the 2 end zeros in our dividend. Then we just have 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So 200 divided by 200 is 1. Now for 3,300 divided by 300, again we can cancel our end zeros, and then we have 33 divided by 3, which is 11. So our answer is 11. And for 6,300 divided by 700, we can cancel our end zeros. 63 divided by 7 is 9, so our answer is 9. So 200 divided by 200 gave us the same answer as 2 divided by 2. 3,300 divided by 300 gave us the same answer as 33 divided by 3, and 6,300 divided by 700 gave us the same answer as 63 divided by 7.